Robert back here, Bluegrass Bushcraft. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a valve from a Coleman lantern or any other lantern, because this is not a Coleman here, without the use of a lantern vise. First of all, let's get rid of some of this crud.
Yeah, it's true. I think it wasn't by a school or by a teacher.
First of all, we're going to heat up this bung. To do it. First of all, you're going to find a crack in your deck that valve will fit down in. Turn it upside down inside that crack.
Are you interested in supporting 100% renewable energy? KU offers programs to help you meet your goals. The Renewable Choice Calculator combines our solar share and green energy programs to create a customized solution for less than $1 per day or 5%.
If you got one that's really being stubborn, you can go down to your local auto parts and pick up one of these large oil filter wrenches. Get a grip on it. That'll help you with your grip. Okay, if you all like these kind of videos, please hit the like button and subscribe. God bless.